How to stack coupons on Shein. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Can we stack coupons on Shein to get ourselves a massive discount in a particular order? Unfortunately, Shein does not officially allow coupon stacking, which means you can typically only use one coupon per order. However, let me guide you through some of the strategies you can maximize your saving. Check out for combined coupons and referral codes. These codes can provide a fixed discount on your order, often a percentage or a specific dollar amount. While you can't stack multiple coupons, you can often use a referral code in conjunction with other discounts as well. Always check out for flash sales or bundle deals. Sometimes Shein offers bundle deals where you can purchase multiple items at a discounted rate. Always realize to utilize your Shein points. When you shop regularly, you'll be accumulating these points as well. You can use those points to get discount on your future purchases as well. Even though you may not be able to stack coupons, but these strategies will definitely maximize your saving. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.